Time to ask the medical expert. We're welcoming back Dr. Brandon Kleemann with ChiroPro.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
We're discussing all things the benefits of red light therapy.
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Okay, so I don't know that I'm allowed to have favorites, but I absolutely have a few, and red light is definitely one of them. So red light is a very cool modality that we use in the office. What it does is it's going to use either red light or near infrared light to create something that we call photobiomodulation. So what this does is it creates small pores in the fat cells so that the contents of the cell can leak out, and then your lymph system will either use it as energy or excrete it, and this results in inch loss or weight loss over time.
That's what I was hearing.
Yeah,
that was dinging off. Weight loss is what I hear.
It's usually probably, I would say, everyone's favorite thing, but it's a big factor of why people come to us. But another really cool thing it does is, now hang on, science teachers and bio majors, this is our time to shine. We all learned a very famous phrase in school that says, your mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell.
Yes.
Okay? So mitochondria in every single cell loves light. And when light contacts it, it produces ATP, which is energy, decreases inflammation, fights infection, increases your chances of recovery, among, the list just goes on. So it's a very, very cool way of taking care of yourself.
So what does red light therapy look like? When you go in, you get the consultation, is it a dark room and just red light?
So a little bit of that. I want our room to be very therapeutic, very spa-like. So it's a little bit darker room, You can think of it as kind of like a tanning bed, but our table, it's called the Dahlia table, and it's a zero gravity table, so it's very techy looking, and it's got lights above and below. And so what happens is you'll go in for a $49 consultation. We'll do a measurement before and after. You lay on the table, enjoy your time, and then when you're all done, we remeasure so you can see in real time how well it worked for you. And your job is kick back and relax. That's pretty much it for each session.
This makes me think of some gyms. They offer red light therapy, but what's the difference at ChiroPro?
So yeah, absolutely. So your gyms, some tanning beds, some saunas I've even heard, and some people have these things at home. They're good. They're good for what they can do. The different nanometers of light, so your red light, your near infrared light, they have different strengths. Our table has a 360-degree full body coverage, which is very cool. It has what's called dual radiation, so it's gonna, dual irradiance. So what that means is it's going to have both your red light and your near infrared light, but your irradiance is how strong in a short amount of time that you can get. So what you're going to experience is your faster results, better results, deeper results, so for your weight loss and your arthritic pains and things like that.
Only question that I have is this safe? Can I go in and come out unscathed?
Yes, absolutely. Very, very common question. It is very safe. It doesn't work like UV light. You cannot overdose on infrared light or near infrared light. So with most modalities, you're going to have risks and benefits. Your benefits are going to far, far outweigh the risks. But your risks with your red light tables is going to be simply sensitivity to sun, things like that, after prolonged use. Nothing that simply SPF 30 wouldn't be able to take care of for you. But that's about it. Otherwise, the benefits are everything that's worthwhile. So
it's safe. You can get some weight loss. It's 360. What's not to love?
Nothing. You
Absolutely.
can love everything.
ChiroPro.com. That's where you can learn more information. You said they have a $49 consultation?
$49 consultation. Yep.
That's a deal, y'all. Get in on that. There's the information right there. Look at that number. Give them a call so that you can get in on that deal and that red light therapy. Brandon, thank you so much for being here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for having me.
Of course. We'll have more in Studio STO when we come back.